Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. So that video you just watched, family, it was me actually, Jam Tours Africa company actually picking up Dimongo from the airport in Ghana. And I was just watching a reaction video last night on trending, and there was a discussion about me carrying Dimongo bag. So, as a man doing that, as a man, that's a no family. That's you don't carry a woman bag unless, she wanted something happen and she asked you to hold it for a short while and give it back to her. But no way, Jam Tours don't carry no woman bag, family. So I just want to clear up that situation and just make a reaction about this video, family, because there was a big reaction about this video and everybody was laughing. And say Jam Tours is like a soft soap. And there's another comment somebody said, Jam Tours is soft like a ice cream melting out in the summer. So those are the comments, family, I am actually thinking about in the situation, family. So I just want to clear up that in that video, I'll let you guys know that was not Dimongo bag. First of all, Dimongo don't travel with handbag. She traveled with a big knapsack, a traveling bag. That was a pouch. And if you're I guess maybe it's only certain type of guy you see walk with pouch. Because normally that pouch normally have pile of money. And because you maybe have so much money, you can put it in your pocket. So you normally have a pouch to put your, your belongings and stuff. So that's a pouch. And if you're a man, you know about a pouch, just Google and type the word pouch and you'll see it's a bag just like that, family. So it's not Dimongo bag. And I just want to make that clear, family. And it was Jam Tours, the company, picking up Dimongo from the airport. And I just want to say, family, with that at that time, I just came to Ghana. I was excited and I was just looking to connect with content creators, and because my ultimate goal was to travel Africa and stuff. So it was just a link up, family, and I take her around Ghana and I actually show her and stuff. Most of those stuff that she do in Ghana, it was me there behind the camera. And it's my resources, the Jam Tours Africa company. As you guys know, I have a tour and travel company in Ghana, family. So it was the tour and company that take her around and and stuff in Ghana. So I just want to make this clear. So for people who saying, Jam Tour should not get his refund, and for people who actually, is actually, just getting onto this information, what happened to me when I came to Nairobi. As you guys know, she was in Ghana, she spent 2 weeks there, and we having some conversation. I tell her that when I come to Nairobi, I would want a place to rent and stuff, because my main plan was to experience East Africa, so I was gonna spend some time in East Africa, family. And that's when I advised her to get the apartment for me, and you guys see and know everything and stuff. And you guys know that after I leave back for Ghana, she take over the place and and stuff like that. So now we're actually in battling for me to get back my refund and for me to get back my money, family, for the apartment that I sent her money to actually get when I come to Kenya, actually furnish out the apartment, family. So so I was asking back for my money, because now you take over the apartment and say it's your one and I don't have access to it, and I just want back my money. So all the money I spend and stuff, I'm just asking back for it. And that's where we're at right now, family. And as you guys know, we hear nothing from her about the situation. There was nothing about the situation, family. She said nothing. It's like silence, like nothing ever happened, family. So we just want to actually, actually clear this up. That, a lot of people feel like Jam Tours is taking this lightly. But there's different type of Jamaicans in the world. And you guys, always say, don't mess with the Jamaicans and stuff. But there's different type of Jamaica. There's the Jamaica, that never travel. And if you mess with them, they will chop you up. They will stone you up. And there's another Jamaicans that in inner city ghetto youths that if you mess with them, they will con you up. And they will do a lot. And con up meaning Jamaica mean to them. So there's different type of Jamaicans. And most Jamaicans, once they travel and understand life, there's certain things that they won't do. They will just try to move diplomatic to do their thing and make the law deal with it family. So for all the naysayers saying that I'm soft and not soft on her and stuff, it's just a matter of time. You know what I mean? I will be here to tell details of the situation of what happened when everything is recovered and stuff family. So I will just making that clear family. Just making that clear. So as you guys see in that video, I just want to react to that video to let you guys know that's what happened. And if you want to know the full story, you can check out the reactors. You can check out Black Beauty. You can check out Untrending. You can check out AM Carol. You can check out King of Travel. You can check out what's trending. You can check out some some other reactors that if I don't remember your name, Mr. Nice and family. Check out Mr. Nice. Check out Kung Fu Fanta on YouTube. Check him out. He actually do a full story from start, so you guys can understand what happened. We're still waiting for an answer from Demo. We're still waiting. We're still waiting from the brother. At least David Judah said his side already that he was gonna talk to the parents and stuff. We don't hear nothing from Mara. We don't hear nothing from Demo yet. So we're still waiting, family. We're still waiting for them to come out and say their side of the story. This is my side. We're waiting for their side, and just that's where we're at right now, family. So for all the naysayers who want to say things, I'm just clearing it up, family, and so you guys can know that this is what it is, and this is what is happening at the moment. And just to clear up that Ankeru, there's certain things we don't do. In Jam Tours Africa, there's things we don't do, family. As a Jamaican, you know that there's certain things we don't do, and it's a taboo in Jamaica to do certain things. If you want to make a video about some of the things that is taboo in Jamaica, I know the West is actually taking over nowadays, and things that used to be taboo in Jamaica is not taboo no more. It's not taboo no more. It's like a normal thing because most people is actually get corrupt by the West, family. So, if you want to make a video about that, things that are taboo in Jamaica, comment and let me know, family. Comment and let me know, family. So, family, that's that right now. Check out Kung Fu Fanta and just drop a video yesterday about it, the entire story and where we're at the moment. And you can actually update yourself on the moment and the story, family. So if you want some peace, if you want some love, you want some sunlight in your life, you can get our merch. We have our cup, we have t-shirt, we have baby clothes, we have hoodies and stuff, and the YouTube store. So you can actually go and get your merch. Is that merchy? Merchy. Tell them to go and get the merch, Amish. Go and get the merch. Go and get the merch and do some research. This is Ankeru family from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, comment. Let me know your thoughts and the whole matter. And send me some well wish. And good luck statement for this situation that I'm in right now, because as you know, you have the family to feed. And once you bite the hands that is feeding the family, you know that's a destruction in nature. Nature don't deal with those things. The universe don't like those things. Yes, Esamish, tell them. Yes, you should never try to bite the hands that is trying to feed you. The hands that is feeding you. Tell them that a destruction, a fire and brimstone and lightning them. Yeah, family, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out.